idol. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you the full specs and honest review of a Fiido Q1. Okay guys, so in this review, I'm gonna share to you the full specs, the maximum speed test, and also the maximum range of a Fiido Q1. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. But before I proceed, a special shout out to
Let's start in the full specs of Fiido Q1. Motor hub is 250 watts brushless tooth motor. Battery is 36 volts with 10 ampere high quality Li-ion battery. With the maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Wheel size is 12 inches Tyre or CST. Handlebar. This is what we call ape hanger handlebar or U-shaped handlebar. Throttle. This is what we call twist throttle. Frame material is aluminum alloy. Max range up to 50 kilometers. Brake type is mechanical disc brake. Net weight is 18 kg. Capacity weight is 20 to 120 kg. Charging time is 7 hours. Battery adaptation, direct current 42 volts 2 ampere. IP ratings. IP ratings is IP34, protected from tools and wires greater than 2.5 mm, protected from water spray from any direction. Startup mode is electronic remote control.
Now I will show you how to use this remote control for Fiido Q1. So first step, for switch on, you need to press this. Okay. So as you can see, it turns on. To switch off the electric scooter, you need to press this side, this turn off button. Okay, that is already turned off your electric scooter. So in order to lock for anti-theft, if you want to make it alarm when somebody touch your electric scooter, you need to press this alarm button. So it's already locked your scooter with alarm. Once they touch your electric scooter, it will beep. Okay guys, so every 15 seconds it will beep for battery saver also. Next is the locator button. Okay guys, so the purpose of locator button is, let's say you are in a parking lot and you cannot find your electric scooter. So in order to find your electric scooter, you need to press this button, locator button. So as you can hear, it will create sounds, it will beep. So in order to easy find your electric scooter, especially when you are in a parking area.
Cruise control. To activate the cruise control, press the cruise control button once, wait for 5 to 10 seconds with a constant speed. Even you release in throttle, it will continuously moving. To deactivate the cruise control, just press the brake or press again the cruise control button.
okay guys, so now let's try the maximum speed of a Fiido Q1. Okay guys, so let's do this! battery cut-off voltage of Fiido Q1. So as you can see, 1 bar, but if I press the throttle, it's not moving now. I was expecting that the Fiido Q1 has still have batteries, because I can see there is a 1 bar, but the scooter is not moving now. So no other option, I need to walk. I am here in Marsa Mina, so I need to walk there going to Electra. So the total record I've made is 33 kilometers with a duration of 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I need to walk only. Okay guys.